everyone, my name's Ali and welcome back to my channel, Mindful Living. If you're interested in unique recipes, gardening and growing your own food, along with finding joy in the ordinary like me, then make sure to hit that subscribe button because I upload new videos every week. Okay, let's get started with today's video. In today's video, I wanted to give you guys a quick update on my AeroGarden harvest. I'll be showing you how I successfully grew Bok Choy indoors during the winter, so let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so this is week number 1. This is about 7 days after the plants have sprouted, so it can take anywhere from 5 to 7 days for your seeds to sprout. Bok Choy is pretty fast to germinate, and it definitely grows really fast as well. Here we have week number 2, so there's been lots of growth in only 7 days. Like I said, Bok Choy is really fast to grow, and you usually will have a harvest in anywhere from 30 to 45 days. Okay, and here we have 2.5 weeks of growth. You may notice that 2 of my plants here have elastic bands around them, and that is because as my Bok Choy started to grow and get larger, I started to notice that the plant was really opening up instead of growing up. I'm not sure if that's just because it is grown hydroponically and the light is really close to the plant. When you're growing it outdoors, I didn't have this problem, but when I use an elastic band to secure the plants, I found that really helped, and it gave my other plants more room and more sunlight to grow, and that helped the plant grow taller instead of wider, especially since I am growing 4 Bok Choy plants in this one AeroGarden. Okay, moving on to week number 3. At this point, my plants are getting a lot more bushy. They're really lush and green, definitely really healthy. I find the leaves at the 3-week mark are getting a lot bigger and larger. At this point, you can go ahead and harvest some of the leaves and enjoy them as well. Just make sure to harvest the outer larger leaves and leave the new growth in the middle. I'm just showing a little bit more of a close-up here, and you guys can see the elastic band like I was talking about. I found this really worked well to make my plants more compact as well. And yeah, definitely more room for more plants to grow in my AeroGarden. You may notice there I have 2 other seed pods in my AeroGarden. Those are both cherry tomatoes, and I am waiting on those to germinate, so you can always have some seeds started while the other ones are growing as well. Okay, and now we are on the last week, which is week number 4. So in as little as 4 weeks, you can be enjoying tons of Bok Choy. My plants have gotten pretty large at this point. You can go ahead and let them keep growing, or you can do what I did here, which is a full harvest of my plant. So this is just a harvest off of one of the plants. I've got tons of Bok Choy here. I'll just be storing this in my refrigerator and a food saver. I've shown these in a few of my different videos. This is a great way to store your produce in the fridge, and it just makes sure that everything lasts a little bit longer. So you can go ahead and harvest your Bok Choy and then keep that in your fridge for up to a week. I love enjoying Bok Choy added into my stir fries or soups. You can also use it as a side dish. You can just saute it with some garlic and some spices. Super delicious, and Bok Choy is so healthy for you. I highly recommend you guys try growing it indoors in your AeroGarden or hydroponic garden. It's also great to grow outdoors. I did grow this in my garden last year, but I did have some problems with pests and flea beetles, so I found growing it indoors hydroponically was really fast, simple, and easy. If you guys have any questions about this, make sure to leave me a comment down below. I hope if you guys enjoyed this video today, you will leave me a like. Make sure to hit that red subscribe button. It really does help to support me and my channel. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next one.